What's up?
Today I'm going to be changing out these rollers. We've got two 9x7 full views, CHI 3295s, and they come standard with these metal rollers. And a lot of you out there may have some metal rollers. And what that's going to do is, they work just fine and everything, but a metal roller inside metal tracks, that's going to make some noise.
Check out these rollers I get off of Amazon. I've had really good luck with them.
Right on.
Right there. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that, XiKe?
Yeah,
But
right.
I don't know. We'll go from there.
This bearing company has been around since the 1940s, so I'm pretty sure they got it down.
Are you kidding
So let's
me?
open up this pack and I can show you what they look like, what comes in it. You can get these things on Amazon. So click that link down in the description and get yourself a pack of these.
Really?
You'll notice a huge difference on the sound.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna check this out there. Get your knife. Okay, don't put your finger there. Come on now. Let's see what's inside that box. Oh,
All right, there they are. Yeah, they come in blue, red, white. So yeah, these are, for the price, these are pretty awesome.
Precision 6200 ZZ bearings made of chrome steel provide reliable support. Perform up to 100,000 cycles at a 150-pound load test.
Are you kidding me?
All right, so let's take a listen at the door, and I'm going to have you hear what it sounds like currently. So here we go. All right, there we go. You get like this clinky, clanky, clunky sound going on. So I'm gonna change the rollers out and you're gonna hear a huge difference. All right, I'm gonna show you how I like to do it. I'm not a big fan of taking the hinges off to just replace the roller, because when you start taking your hinge screws out, that's gonna potentially, start making that hole a little rounded out. You don't want that. You don't want hinge screws coming loose. I always just try to keep the hinge on. So this method I do might be a common method. So basically the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and disconnect the garage door opener. Pull the pull rope, disconnect it. Go ahead and lift the door open. All right, now that we have the door open, we want to pick a side, vertical track side. I'm going to start on the left side. And we want to take this nut and bolt, that nut and bolt. We want to take that out. And then come down here, take that screw out, and then take that screw out. And that's 7/16. All right, we got the nuts out of the top there. So we're nice and free. Go ahead and take these guys out. So now we have that vertical track totally off. Now what you want to do, there's 5 rollers per side. 1, 2, 3, 4, top 5. Come over to your box over here and get you 5 of these out. Got 5 of them. So now the key, what we want to do is we want to start pulling this door down. As we're pulling it down, each roller is going to pop out. We're going to slide the old roller out and put the new roller in. I always stand in front of the door too, so that way when the door comes down, I can just kind of rest against it. So as I pulled it down, I got my first roller. Just slide it out.
Yeah, as you're pulling the door down, you're just leaning up against it, replacing rollers one at a time. You get to that number 3, gonna push it back open into the horizontal track.
All right, it's easy as that. So with doing it like that, you're able to get your bottom, your number 1, your number 2, and your number 3. So now we got the first 4 rollers in, we can go ahead and put this vertical track back together. Go ahead and line it back up. Tighten it down. Now you can go ahead and put your lags back into the track brackets. Last but not least, the top roller. You can climb up, and this is a 1/2 inch. You can just take this nut off of there, you know, take this piece off to replace the roller. Look at that nastiness from the old metal rollers.
That's nasty.
That comes right off. Off into the bucket it goes. And then just get your new roller. All right, there we go. Yeah, it's hard to do with one hand. All right, top fixture's back together. Got the new roller in. Then you can tighten it down. All right, essentially that's how you change out the rollers, or how I do it. And just go ahead and repeat the steps for, you know, the other side. All right, here's the comparison test. So here we go. A lot less clunky. All right, let's go up with it.
I know from a video it's kind of hard to tell whether or not these rollers really are super quiet or not, but you know, they really are. And listen, if you're looking to get your garage door a little bit quieter, you got a room above the garage, you know, change out those rollers. It's going to help.
Hey, thanks for following me on this one. If you got any questions, please ask, and stay safe out there, everybody. Coronavirus is no joke. Yeah, just stay safe. Peace out.